This is the second phase of key account management, in which we would be talking about the nature of work and how things have to be carried out in order to get the growth that the company requires, or the profitability that the company requires. So, the first active key account management has also had to change because they have to meet the demands, they had to meet the maturity level of the customer. So for that they had to build up those strategies which could actually intact help the customers to know that this market or this product is doing better than others and knows the customer more than the other markets. So for that they made some strategies that were effective and that led to increased sales, and this is only the only reason that this happened is because the customer's power, which was their intelligence, has changed and the dynamics have changed. So to overcome that, the market strategies were changed by the key account management, and hence we could see that now most of the companies are known for increased sales because their dynamics has changed. Coming to the second slide of the presentation, rapid change. Now, what you need to understand is that the company has to be systematically smart. Now, systematically smart means that the company needs to know that what strategies should be introduced or what strategies should be tried and tested during a specific time that is allotted. Now, that specific time is the actual competition. Every company that is leading a company, uh, a different company, every company that is leading a different company has to know that time is the most important part. The time plays the most important factor to succeeding in a business. Now, if there are two bread companies and they have two bread at the two breads placed at the market or at the store, now people would prefer that bread which has a longer expiry, which expires late, and that could okay, that is easily available in the market at the fastest possible time. So people would prefer that. Apart from that, people also like to have the value added services with the product, because that helps them have a belief in the company that they are actually helping out the customer with a service that no other company can actually provide. So main reasons that the international companies like Coca-Cola and Pepsi succeed in maintaining their balance and leading the local manufactured soft drinks is that their time management and their item availability is much more quicker than any local present companies, and that gives them the advantage in the business strategies. None of the companies could live up to that competition. That's why they have gone out of the competition in that regards. So you need to exploit the time such that it helps the customer, builds the satisfaction, and also increases the business data. Also there are some other factors that also help, that you have to have a forecasting. You need to know what the demand is, how you can meet it in the best possible time with effective product development skills, excellence in flexibility, because you need to be flexible with your products, and you should always know how you could exploit your market more rapidly compared to any other company, because as it is mentioned in the slide, faster value added services to product, the more the potential gain in profitability. This is the third phase of the presentation, and this talks about the process refinement. The process refinement is something in a sense is that it shouldn't indirectly give loss to the company, and to avoid that loss, they have to play the business very intelligently. They have to place the product in the market at such that their item is also selling, and if there is any business technique that is associated to that product is not understood by the customer. So for that, there are many companies who indirectly share records with other companies on how to keep this effective business running, and how to materialize the marketing strategy as such that the product is also sold and the customer does not know what is happening behind the product in regards to how the company is making. The companies understand that the expiry date is coming to a close or the item is not selling as such, so they put up some advertisement uh, which attracts the customer as such that they are made to buy those items. So main reason is to understand that the relationship has to be maintained, a long term relationship has to be maintained, also the profitability element should also be there. So that is how uh, they project the future, the companies project the future and sell the item. Now, the fourth part of the presentation talks about redefining marketplace and pleasing customers. Now, we all know, as it was mentioned below, that all the customers at the moment are very smart enough. So, to overcome that smartness, you need to redefine your product as such that it could meet their demands and also could make a place for themselves in the present market. Now, we all know that. Nowadays everyone in our country has a mobile phone, has a car, has electronics like a washing machine and etc. But in that, the company, you have bought a certain company for yourself, certain company products. A company who is coming into the market has to make sure that you buy their product. And how they could do that is, if suppose you take Samsung for that instance, how can Samsung overcome the impact that has been already present due to Apple? Samsung will provide better camera facilities. They would speed up their Android softwares. That is how they could attract, even reshaping their design. That is how they would attract the customers towards Samsung. Similar goes for a different car. Now, if there are two sort of cars, one is providing you with the normal facilities with automatic windows and uh, multimedia functions. The other car would provide you much better functions as safety precautions like airbags and better multimedia functions than and then their competition. So in that case, what would happen is you would be bound towards the company that is providing you more facilities, and that is how the customer will be pleased into buying those items. So what the companies are doing right now is they are thinking their strategies outside the box so that they could generate profitability by pleasing the customer. Now we all know that companies have got into a global share, which is their items are available globally, which you call it the in our country we call it the imported goods or the imported items that we regularly buy. Now that has to be maintained as well. How is that maintained? That is maintained in such that when you have an item that you think is used by a customer in a different country, you have to make sure that the item is available to that customer at a very frequent time. Now, globalization has many different aspects. Your item could not go through the company's uh, trade security or exports import security. So you have to make sure that you sign in deals that are helpful to your company and also effective in the customers country. so that the customer is getting their share of imported goods and also stays a loyal customer to your company as well. So examples of globalization could be, even Facebook is a form of globalization because they run from US and they provide services in all the countries. Imported goods could be Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Also, because now the Coca-Cola and Pepsi companies are actually making items in our own country. So you could also go for snacks like the Candyland snacks that are coming from overseas, or you could also call it a different market approach of importing goods. Also, many cigarette companies are importing goods, and people prefer the imported goods rather than the local manufactured goods. So, the international marketing is effective only if there are less barriers, and that would also help in effective strategy to keep the customer intact. Um, so the companies in the present marketplace have to make sure that they face less barriers, and also has to win the trust of. Now, coming to the implications of businesses and how they have to run in regards to key account management, you need to know that there are many implications. One, that your customer is very smart. Another one is that the innovation in the market is way beyond our reach. Second, you have to bring something different to the competition so that you could meet your customers' demand. And modern market, you need to understand the modern market in that the changes are coming very frequently. So to meet those changes, you have to be ahead of the curve, because if you're not ahead of the curve, your market, you will lose your place in the market, and for that you have to go for innovation in the best and the least possible time. You have to build up strategies that are so helpful to your company that you could innovate a new product, you could do the best possible advertising, and also place the product in a certain market segment where you know that you could actually lead. Now, the modern businesses, you have to know that your competition can be intact with a second competition that your product is facing. So these two competitions might be together at some point to get your company down, and then go on and have a competition of their own, and build a monopoly, and not letting your market enter. So they might be friendly within themselves to get you out of the market, and then build their own competition for future aspects. So uh, to avoid these implications, you must know that to succeed in the modern market businesses, you need to be ahead of the curve. You have to redefine product to match the competition. Innovation of product should be as such that your product should stand out. You need to understand the market competitions. You need to maintain your customer satisfaction, because customer satisfaction at the end of the day will help you gain your momentum in selling your items, and that would also help you to lead the curve. So one thing that we all learn in business is that customer is God, and to meet his demands, you need to maintain his satisfaction. So that's it.